I want to show you today one Google Sheet formula that is going to make your day. If you are using ChatGPT and you want to do a lot of publishing, bulk publishing, you want to do a lot of cool stuff, you have like a lot of list of keywords here and you want to like insert them into a prompt. Maybe you have a prompt already. I'm going to show you one single Google Sheet formula that's going to make your day. It is going to make you faster, better, leaner, tougher. All right, here it is. So here's our problem. We have a sheet. I already have created a sheet that has the OpenAI access, so I don't even need to go to ChatGPT. If you want that, you have to become a member, or you are a member already, and go to upgrade Google Sheets OpenAI prompt to GPT-4. That is the newest version of the app script, totally free for all monthly and lifetime members. So that's already in our app script over here. We have our API key over on another tab called API key. We got it from OpenAI. And we want to write. We want to write based on some keywords, some prompts. So we write our prompt. You're an SEO lead. Suggest 30 high volume, low difficulty keywords for keyword. And we want to run that for many, many, many keywords. We want to say, Google Sheets here. We want to say spreadsheets. We want to say Excel spreadsheets maybe. And we want to do this like 100 times. And we want to run this prompt. We want to prompt here. And then we want to get the answer here. How do we do this? Well, the answer is going to be easy. We're just going to do AI, and we're going to have our prompt B2 right there. So if is blank B2, we're going to do nothing. So if it's actually blank, we're going to do nothing. If it's not blank, if it has something, we're going to run this AI. This is going to be really cool to do. But what do we do? How do we get this prompt? From here, insert that keyword where it says keyword. Or here, as a content strategist, create a compilation of 20 frequently asked questions. Maybe let's reduce this to like 3 to make it quicker, because I think I only have here 500 max tokens. So we're going to want to write that. We want to write that for each one. So let's do this one. The prompt here. As a content strategist, create a compilation of 3 frequently asked questions about this keyword that are pertinent to a new person to this topic. All we want to do, we've written this prompt. Maybe it's an epic prompt. Maybe it's like 500 words. Maybe it's 1,000 words or less, probably. But it just has this one keyword we need to replace. How do we do that? We're going to use substitute. That is what we're going to do. We're going to use substitute. Text to search is going to be prompt, exclamation point, A2. What are we going to search for? We want to search for text, this keyword in a square bracket. We put that in ourselves. I'll show you how to change that. And what do we want to substitute it with? We want to do an A2 here. So before I hit enter, I want to do a couple things. I want to put a $ in front of the A, a $ in front of the 2, so that stays the same. A2, when we copy and paste this formula, it will change, but I don't want this prompt A2 to change. There, I don't want it to autofill yet. And now you can see, let's look at it. There it is. So now it replaced that keyword in square brackets with Google Sheets. And now I have my answer right away. Let's copy paste this. It now says spreadsheets. The formula, array formula, the formula substitute, which is what we're using right now. I want to get some frequently asked questions about that. So it's giving us 3. What are some effective tips for pretty okay. We'll probably get better if we get much like 4 or 5 word keywords here. Long tail keywords here will probably be overcoming spreadsheet woes. Anything we want here, we can copy and paste this. And now all of these are literally going to AI right away and getting our answer. Getting actually not our answer, our questions. Really, really simple. So we can write a prompt here, and then we can have some maybe FAQs here. Let's duplicate this. And instead of that prompt, I'm going to delete all that. Let's use the exact same keywords, but a different prompt. So we're going to do this all again. Substitute. Text to search. We're going to use, I want to make a video advertisement. That sounds cool. I want to search for keyword. Again, I'll show you how to change this keyword if you do need to change it. We want to replace it with A2 here. And this A3, prompt A3, again, we need to add the $, A, $3, A2, hit enter. I don't want to automatically do everything. So this is writing a script for a video advertisement. We're only giving it 500 tokens, so we should be able to get a response back. We might get an error. This happens regularly in Google Sheets if you have like over 30 seconds to call to the API. So we want to try to do quick. Oh, there we go. Are you tired of never-ending battle with complicated spreadsheets? Yes. Yes, I am. So we get our advertisement already written. We are writing 6 more. This is like epically fast, right? And as that's loading, each one will probably take about 30 seconds. I want to share with you how to edit this keyword. So let's do this. Let's say, as a copywriter, write a script for a video and emphasizing the benefits of keyword. You want to change this keyword to product. You usually want a product name. How do you then replace it? Well, let's go down to the bottom here and say we have some product names. Let's call this one salad shaker. We're going to do equals, substitute. It actually gives us this keyword already, but we don't want this keyword. We want to change it to product. That's it. It is a made-up word here. We have entered that word there, so it is up to us to change it. We can edit here, product, and just change product down here. That's all we do right there. Product is changed. Now we have a video advertisement for a salad shaker. Oh my God, that's epic. Personally, enthusiastically shaking a salad shaker filled with vibrant whatever. Revolutionize the way you prepare salads. Great. Hopefully this is helpful to you. This substitute, I think this, along with AI in your spreadsheets, is going to absolutely break through any and all issues you have doing bulk publishing, bulk writing, bulk idea generating. Again, if you want the app script for this, it is completely free for Better Sheet members over at this video upgrade Google Sheets OpenAI prompt to GPT-4 over on Better Sheets. Become a member today if you're not a member, or if you are watching this on Better Sheets, just get it down below. It's right here. Bye.